What powers your social media feed?
Social media feeds use powerful coding techniques to decide which posts you see first. Behind the scenes, data structures like queues and heaps help organize updates, while specialized algorithms decide how to rank each post. This mix makes your newsfeed feel both timely and relevant, keeping you engaged every time you scroll.
Understanding cues in social media.
Cues are simple yet effective. Think of a cue as a line, often called first in, first out. When you follow someone, their latest posts are placed in a queue. This lets your feed show recent content in chronological order, ensuring new updates appear at the top while older ones move down.
The role of heaps in ranking posts.
A heap are special data structures perfect for sorting items by importance. In social media, a heap helps efficiently pick the most relevant or popular posts from thousands of candidates. By using heaps, platforms can quickly surface posts with the highest priority scores, such as those with lots of likes or recent activity.
How ranking algorithms work.
Ranking algorithms determine the order of posts you see. These algorithms analyze many factors: who posted, your past interactions, and how recent or popular a post is. Using this data, the algorithm scores each post and decides what should appear at the top, aiming to show you content you'll care about most.
The hidden impact of these technologies.
The use of queues, heaps, and ranking algorithms changes your experience in subtle ways. They help manage massive amounts of data, sort through millions of posts, and personalize your feed. By carefully ordering your timeline, these systems shape what you read, watch, and interact with every day.